Imana uyitwa nihemuka.
14 mbere na mbere ndashima Imana ko itugejeje aya magingo, ndashima Imana ko itugejeje kuri uyu munsi w'isezerano ryayo. Just like you said, heaven approved and here we are. I wanted to start by saying this: you're my love story. I write you in everything I do, everything I see, everything I touch, and everything I dream, with the words that fills my pages. Standing before God and His people, I vow to love you as Christ loved the church, faithfully, deeply, and without condition. In you, I see God's wisdom, beauty, strength, and grace. I promise to treasure you all the days of my life. I vow to honor you, to walk beside you in every season, to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you. Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. And your people will be my people, and your God will be my God forever. I submit to this love, not out of fear, but because I trust God who gave me you, because you're the best thing that ever happens to me. With God as our foundation and heaven as our home, nothing will ever come between us. I give you all of me, forever, freely, and faithfully. I love you.
Yewe Nkomezi Prosper, nemereye imbere y'Imana, imbere y'abashumba bayo, imbere y'itorero ryayo, imbere y'ababyeyi ko Mfurakazi Retine ambera umugore, nzamukunda mukundwakazi mu bihe byose, nta kizantera kumusharirira, nta kizantandukanya nawe, keretse urupfu cyangwa kugaruka kwa Yesu. Imana izabifashemo.